Are you looking for new construction, minimum maintenance, easy living in Bonita Springs, Florida? Then this house may be for you. Today I'm in Solis Grande. It's a townhome community that has houses for around 400, and this might be something that might work for you. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and this is easy living, easy maintenance. So let's go take a look at this wonderful home. Okay, so I'm going to show you the street right now. Cute townhomes. Gated community, by the way. So once everything's finished, they don't have that many homes. So if you are interested in this, please get with me right away so we can get you in. This home is a 1-car garage. It's called the Alder model. And this is going for about $420. Let's take a look. All right, so when you walk in, this home is for sale, and it's for sale for $419,990, under $420. And when you walk in, they even have it decorated that this is about 1,800 square feet, 1-car garage. Let me take you in here first. Look how open and spacious this is. Pretty gray cabinets, nice countertops, great outdoor living. If you want something that's easy maintenance, you have a nice family room here, which look, you could put a little table, have a couch, put a TV there. These homes all come with screened and lanai. The maintenance here is about $300 a month. Now there is no amenities here, but if that's what you're looking for, give me a call, because there's other developments that do offer this amenities and resort style living. So if you're looking for that, I could definitely find you something. But if you're just looking for close to Bonita Beach, close to shopping and things around this area, then this may be the place for you. I'm taking a step back over here so you can get to see the whole view of this cute townhome. And I'm going to walk back over here so I can show you towards the front door. Has a half bath. So when you have guests, and this is cute, you can put some little table, a mirror there just to make it look cute. Here is the half bath, which is nice for guests. And if you're looking for a rental or you're looking for a winter home, this may work. Or if you want for your grandkids or your kids or a young family who is looking for not too much to do but want the lifestyle over here, be close to Naples, be close to Estero, be close to Coconut Point, Miramar Outlets. If you work in the area and you just want something that's not so far, this may be for you. We're going to take a look. This is the entry into the garage, and then you have a storage area here, which is nice. And then this house has a 1-car garage. And like I said, these homes come with the washer, dryer, comes with the refrigerator, so you won't need to purchase that. And you could just turn around and just move your stuff in and start living over here the Southwest Florida lifestyle. All right, there's no bedrooms downstairs. It's only the living area. And I'll pan back one more time so you can see the kitchen. And really pretty. Everything's just so pretty and modern. And even though it's the lower price point, you get a lot of nice features in these homes for the money. Now we're going to go upstairs here. Here's the stairwell. And upstairs you get carpet. I'll even take you upstairs so we can take a look. Okay, now we're upstairs. And this is where the 3 bedrooms and the other 2 bathrooms are. Down, when you come off the stairs, I'll just show you from one side to the other. Master bedroom, bathroom. Like I told you, washer and dryer is included, which is nice. When you come back around, let's start with these bedrooms first, and I'll show you the master. Here's bedroom number 1. And it comes with the blinds, walk-in closet, which is nice, which I may turn around and could always add one of those switches that when you walk in, it turns it on. I have those all over my house. It's hard to always feel for the buttons to get in. All right, then here is the other bedroom. Nice size. And if you want to see another home like this furnished, the model itself, look in the description. I'll put it in there so you can see what it looks like furnished. There's definitely a queen bed in here. They have a cute little chair and table there. Nice windows. Hurricane impact, by the way, guys. And if you just want easy living and you don't have time to enjoy all the pools and restaurants that are in an amenity center, this is perfect. I was talking to the gal that's a sales associate here, and she was telling me I have investors who buy in here for snowbirds or for people who want to just live, that work in Naples and they just need something that's close. They're buying in here. Young families with small children are buying. It's a great starter home. Here's another closet. I like all the storage. You could definitely have storage in here. It's about 1,800 square feet. Here's the second bathroom with a bathtub, which is nice. So you can see that. And like I said, this home is as is. So it's going for under $420 with, if you go through their financing or cash, you get $10,000 back at closing right now. Call me and we can discuss it with them about figuring out the pricing or figuring out other things about these developments. Always go in with somebody because we're going to take care of you. We're for you. We work for you. The builders, associates, they don't work for you. They work for the builder. So they're going to be trying to get the best deal for the builder. But if you call a real estate agent, we're going to help you. We're going to guide you. We're going to help you pick the house. We're going to help you decide what development is ready for you or meant for you. So definitely give me a call. My name is Lisa Ponce, Southwest Florida Realtor over here. And I just would love to make your dreams come true of living on the west coast of Florida. Here is the master bedroom. If you see, there's a king bed here. Nice size. And has a nice walk-in closet, which you can always add shelving. I always say you can't add it in this house, but in some other developments, they do offer that, which is a lot of money. So you're better off just paying somebody after. It's kind of crazy to pay for upgrades sometimes when you can turn around and just do it after and do it for a portion of the price. Okay, here we are in the master. And this has 2 sinks, which is nice, pretty lighting, nice window there. And then you have the toilet back here. You have privacy. You can shut that door so you or your spouse could be in there and then somebody else could be in here taking a shower and have some privacy there. This particular home is ready to go. It's $420 and you can come over here. They have other homes available. So if you don't like this color or style, they do have other homes that are available with different color cabinets, different color counters. These particular townhomes, you can't pick too much, but you can pick some. Some of them are already set, so you're gonna have to just pick what they have. But then some of them that they are still building, you can select what you want. Okay. So again, my name is Lisa Ponce. I would love to help you find a home, live the lifestyle that you've been thinking of. Maybe you've been thinking about Florida for a while and you're like, oh, I don't know. Call me, talk to me. It's no charge. I just want to help you decide if Southwest Florida is for you. Maybe I talk to you and I send you things you're like, it's not for me. Okay, no problem. But maybe when I do send you lifestyle or you keep watching my channel and you see things that are like, wow, that's neat. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they had that there. When I moved here, that's exactly what I said. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe they have resort style pools. I can't believe that the development that I live in, that I can walk up to the bar and order a drink and go back by the pool and drink it. I have friends and family who come over here and they're like, oh my gosh, Lisa, I feel like I'm on vacation. And I said, you know what? I live it every single day. When I need a break, I go and I jump in the pool. When I want a snack, I go sit by, I talk to my little waitress, Crystal. I go talk to her and she already knows me. She's like, Lisa, what do you want? I'm like, oh my gosh, can I have a mango margarita? She's like, sure, no problem. So definitely think about it. It's a big decision. It was a big decision for me when I moved and I am not regretting it. I felt like it was home right away. And that's how you have to feel when you are moving to a place that you're going to be living full time. Maybe not full time, maybe part time. But when you come here, you do want to feel at home. And that's such an important part of when you purchase. You want to feel at home. And I felt at home as soon as I drove into where I live. And that's how you have to feel when you drive into your area. Oh my gosh, this feels like home. Please message me, text me, call me, email me, however you want to get in touch with me. Even if you just want to pick my brain and I can help you figure out, send you some things, discuss things with you. I would love to help. Check out my channel some more because I'm putting up new videos, and I'm going to be putting up videos of Bonita Springs, of Gulf Coast Town Center, of Coconut Point. Those are all things that people go to. Restaurants around. Check out my Facebook group. I'll leave that in the link in the description too. I'm posting tips and tricks there, posting my videos there so you can see, like, and subscribe to everything. And you know what? I know this is not a move that takes a week. It's funny because I moved within like 2 months, but some people take a while, and that's okay because you want to do your due diligence. You want to make sure you make the right decision. You want to make sure you're going to be happy living in Southwest Florida. And I definitely made the right decision, and I am so, so happy here. And I would love to share this beautiful area with you. So please give me a call, and I will see you in the next one.